In this tutorial, I'm going to run through the Xero sync with eBoss. You'll be able to synchronize your purchase orders as well as your invoicing to go through with the sales. A few quick rules with it. Obviously, you must have a user login with Xero. The eBoss job must be archived and also invoiced. And the actual contact, or if there's no contact in Xero for the supplier or the client, eBoss will create one in your Xero contact list. All right, so we're in a job here. We can see that the job is closed, which is important, so the staff are finished with it. We'll have a quick scan down the job. We've got a purchase order and some labour. The job got closed, it's been invoiced. So now we are going to just come in here and archive the job. We will then come over here to, I'll just do it on another page. We'll come over here and we'll do it on the Xero sync. And we just hit the button to synchronize the data with Xero. So if you are not logged into Xero already, you'll go to the login page here. We'll just click and allow access. Now, eBoss will be talking to Xero, and there's various encryption keys that talk to each other. So this synchronization process can take place. And these encryption keys or token IDs will need to be checked by both software programs. All right, so that's been synced here. We can see that under that job, I'll show you Xero quickly. So if we come down here through to the sales, and we can see that we have all these transactions that are under draft. So for your accountant, your bookkeeper, or if it's the owner of the business that needs to come into Xero, they will reconcile the numbers in Xero and also in eBoss and then approve them. So we can see here that data there. Same goes for purchase orders. We can see the purchase orders come through as a draft. You've got the eBoss reference with the purchase order number, the supplier, the date, and also the amount. That's it for this turbocharged tutorial. Thanks for your time.